Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we are going to see a very simple thing on a very popular app, that is how to post on Instagram. Well, it is very simple. So let us straight away go to the video how to do that. Well, when you first open your Instagram account, let us first open it. You'll get this kind of page in your mobile. So when you open the Instagram account, you can see all these things over here. So in the middle you can see a plus symbol would be there. So just press this plus symbol, and when you do that, you can see your gallery opens up. You can see these three buttons or three options will be coming, like gallery, photo, video. So by default it will open up your gallery. So before that, I will tell you what is photo and video. When I say photo, it will be taking your camera to click a photo. So you can just click it here. For example, this, you have clicked and the photo is captured, and you can play around all the filters and other things available here. I will tell you next all these things. So let us first explain you what exactly is video. The same with video as well. When you click on video, it will again take you to this button where you can start making video. I click here, press and hold to record. I'll press and hold. So the video has started. So I'll delete it. I don't want it. I deleted it. Once again, I'll tell you how to go for a video. I'll click this, press and hold to record. I'll press and hold. As long as I'm holding, it is recording. Once I leave it, it has stopped recording. So as you can see, I'll again start. It has actually paused. So once you again press and hold, it will start taking video. All these things you can see, the video has been taken. I'll then again just stop. So a video has been taken. Then you can go next. Once you go to next, you can see the video here, video being played here. As long as I'm holding. So, and here you can see all kinds of filters available here, normal, clad. I'll explain you next all these things. So for now, let us go back. I'll discard this video. I'm not going to post this rough video here, so I'll delete it as well. So for deleting it, I'll press this and press discard. Coming here, how to post, I'll simply put, as I had said earlier, I'll simply press this plus button. So once I do that, I'll go to gallery here. Once I go to gallery, all the things that is captured here, like downloaded photos, already taken photos, everything will be coming up here, as you know, in a phone gallery. So in the gallery, I can choose any photo, what I want. So, well, this is my photo. I'll choose this photo. For example, as I've selected this photo from gallery here, a lot of options will be coming here. You can see this is for maximizing and minimizing. This is some kind of boomerang or something. Boomerang app you have to download if you want to make and share mini videos with Instagram free app. Okay. And this is for combining your photos, get layout, all these things. I don't want to do this. I want to say simple photo to be uploaded or posted on Instagram. You can also select multiple, like another 1, 2, 3 photos, which I'm not going to do this right now. So as you can see, the photo has been taken from the gallery. This is for maximizing, minimizing, again maximizing, and I want to see the complete picture here. So one of the little things that people don't do here, the basic thing is to crop the video. You can see the Instagram window is like this. So if you don't crop it, your face or your photo might come awkward, that you don't intend to or don't desire to get posted. So always try, or always remember, or always make sure that your photo is properly cropped. For cropping, you just have to press the 2 fingers and zoom it gradually. You can just pinch and zoom. So whatever you want, it will crop. So again, I do in front of like this. You can see the 3 or 4 lines are coming up on the photo to help you out to make a beautiful frame or a perfect frame. So this is how you can crop video. After you press next, the same photo will go. So instead of that, I'll just try to fill the screen as much as possible with this frame. Let me see. Yeah, this is good. Let this be my cropped video. So once you crop that according to the Instagram window, then you can press next. Once you press next, all this option would come up, like filter, edit. I'll show you edit first. So in edit you can have a lot of option, you can have fun with, you can play around and learn it yourself, as it has a lot of option to play around with your photo. So you can adjust, for example, it will rotate, like it will give an angle to your photo to look somewhat trendy, as you can do that. Or for example, I'll do this slightly angled. Fine. Okay, so done. Once you press done, this thing has been saved. So here I'll go for brightness. Let's see, like I don't think I need any further brightness here. I'll cancel. Contrast, structure, all these things you can play around, you can discover it yourself. So same thing is here, like filter. Once I go to filter, some presets will be there, like normal, all preset, brightness, contrast, lighting, everything is saved here. As in any other photo sharing app, you can find the same thing here, but this one you can find a little bit higher version of those things here. Like if I do this, I think I'll rather go to this thing. It looks dramatic, like something like Hefe mode. This looks a little bit like more saturated photo. So I'll go next. So after every feature you have done, you can press this next. I'll press next here. Once I do that, so this is the page. Your photo is uploaded, but you have to write a caption as well in Instagram. So for caption, you can write anything trendy, like whatever you feel like saying to a friend, a tagline or something of the photo, or the significance, or what led you to shoot this photo, or something, whatever you want. Just write a caption here, a catchy caption. So for this, I will write like trying wife's pic. So for example, I have done this, and you can also put some hashtags like good times, good vibes, okay, good times. To make your photo more discoverable, you can put hashtags as it is in Twitter. So you can put more hashtags, so like happy time. Fine. According to your choice and mood, you can put hashtags here. You can here tag people as well, like tag photo to tag people. I tag who is this? It's me, like Sunil. It's me. And tag photo to tag people, drag or move, or tap to delete. If I drag or move, you can do this, or tap to delete. You can delete it as well. So I'll tag it. For example, I'll tag like it's me only, my photo. So I've tagged myself. I'll put a tick mark here. And after tagging, you can also put a location here as well. So I'm in Hyderabad. I'll just add my location as Hyderabad. So here you have like posted your location, you have tagged yourself, whose photo is that. If there are like multiple people in a group photo, you can tag individual each of them if they are in your like Instagram list. So here you can see also post to Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr. I'll just switch on both the things. Let's see. As you can see, my Twitter is not yet connected to Instagram. So I'll post it on Facebook directly. Just for example, I'll like click share here. Let's see, share. So once I do that, I have finished posting on Instagram. So similarly, you can do this kind of thing for video as well. Go on posting on Instagram, one of the most popular app nowadays you can find right now for posting photos. So friends, this is how you post on Instagram. I hope this video was quite useful for you for posting anything or like photo or video on Instagram. I think somebody has already liked it as well. So go on and start posting photos, videos, whatever you like on Instagram. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please share this video on various platforms to make others also know how to post on Instagram. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So friends, till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you soon. See you again. Thank you.